Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, finally we had the NFP we were waiting for, but sadly, market gave a mixed response, as a result of which we got an indecision in the market. You can see dollar flat after mixed US data, on pace for best weekly gains in July. The dollar was little changed on Friday after a rally in response to mixed data that suggested the world's largest economy showed pockets of weakness but remained resilient overall. So right after NFP, we got a drop on the chart of DXY or the US dollar index, but as the data was mixed, so market recovered immediately. So this is the 4 hour chart of DXY in front of us, and as we know it very well that for the last couple of days DXY is trying to recover, and there is no doubt about it. So if you look at the overall trend here, then overall trend may be towards the downside, but there is no denial that DXY is trying its best to recover. So in the coming days, maybe we'll get to see further upside on DXY. And if the uptrend fails, still I don't think so that DXY will be going down again. At least we will get to see a sideways market. But yes, to have a complete trend reversal or a directional change, we need DXY to trade above 104 or 104.50. DXY needs to break this level, then only we can consider that, oh my god, finally the trend has reversed. Okay, till then this will just be a temporary upside on the chart of DXY. Okay, so let's see how the market reacts. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and this is a daily chart here, my dear friends. You can see, and on the daily chart we can see that euro dollar, the fiber has formed a doji, and doji signifies indecision in the market. So we know it very well that yesterday there was a mixed response. As a result, okay, there is no proper signal from the market in which direction the market will be moving. Usually events like NFP, CPI are very important because they provide direction to the market. But when we get a mixed data, okay, it becomes very confusing. So let's keep aside the yesterday's candle and let's look at the market here. So if we look at the overall trend of Euro USD on the daily chart, you can clearly see that market is going up. Market is forming higher highs and higher lows. And we can also see that we have a trend line acting as the dynamic support. Okay, and market has just bounced from the trend line. So if you have taken a buy position, you can be on the trade because further upside is very much possible. But personally, trend lines have stopped working in the last couple of months. Okay, many stop losses were hit. Okay, so trend lines are not my thing anymore, at least for right now. So as a result, I'm not going with trend lines. But yes, trend line may be working for you. So if you already have taken a buy position, considering the overall trend of the market, considering the present bounce from the dynamic support, be on it because further upside is still very much possible. But for trading opportunities, we need to look at the lower time frame, like 4 hours. So here, my dear friends, we are considering few levels. So let's discuss one by one. First of all, 1.0870. So market has tested this level, and this is also a trend line here. So if market breaks 1.0870, we can expect that market will be going down. I'm not saying a complete trend reversal, but as a day trader, you can look for a sell position below 1.0870. So if market breaks the level and if you see the selling pressure is high, you can hit the sell button, but don't gamble, follow risk management. Okay, so 1.0870 is the first level in front of us, and day traders, you can look for buy position around. We have drawn Fibo. Day traders, you can look for buy position of 1.0795 and 1.0720 to 1.07 sorry, 1.0700. This is a zone. Okay, so 1.0720, 1.0700 seems to be the best level on the chart of euro dollar to grab a buy position, because we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, we also have a support. But the problem is that this level is far away from the current market price. So as a result, chances of market coming down to this level are very, very less. So before this level here, we also have a buy position around 1.0795, this level here, because of FIBO 50% retracement level, and we can see the previous minor resistance is also working as support. So if we combine the factors here, these two levels 1.0795 and 1.070020 are the best levels to grab a buy position on the chart of Euro USD. But yesterday market bounced from the FIBO 38.2 or the trend line here. So if you have a buy, be on it, because as I said, further upside is possible. And if you're looking for sell position, then honestly at this point I will not recommend any sell position, because overall the structure of the market is bullish on the higher time frame as well as on H4. So as a result, I'll say that we do not have any clear levels in your analysis. Okay, if you can identify or spot any sell positions, you can go with it. That's your personal choice, but obviously I need to think about everyone, so I'm not going for high risk levels. So these are the levels that seem to be reliable, but this is market, there is no 100% guarantee, so risk management is extremely important. So if market breaks the level of 1.0870, we can look for a quick sell. Otherwise, taking a buy at these two levels seems to be the best trading opportunities. Now let's look at the chart of cable GBP USD. Here also we can see the overall trend of the market is towards the upside. But if you look at the present trend of the market, my dear friends, we can see that right now the number of buyers and sellers are equal, or in simple words, we can easily see a sideways market. A couple of days ago we talked about 1.2610, and surprisingly 1.2610 is still acting as a support for the market. But the problem is that market has tested the support couple of times. So in the coming days, especially in the coming week, there is a possibility that next time market will be coming down to support, there's a high chance that market will break 1.2610. If you have the risk appetite, if you can afford to take the risk, or let's say that we see dollar is going up and GBP USD is going down with big fat red candles, we can look for a sell below 1.2610 as well. And the next level to take a buy will be around 1.2540 to 1.2500. The blue box that I have marked here, the blue box is the FIBO 38.2% retracement level and also the previous support around this area. So if market breaks the level here, we can look for a sell in this particular portion of the market, and we can look for a buy around this area. So these are the two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP USD right now. Overall, the trend of the market is still towards the upside. So as a result, being on the buy side is obviously much better and safer thing to do here. But we cannot deny that at present the market seems to be sideways. So as a result, we can also consider that if market goes up, we may also see some selling around this area as well, 1.2800, around 1.2800. Okay, so we can look for a sell, especially day traders can look for a sell around 1.2800, but respecting the overall trend of the market, let's look for buy at 1.2500 or 1.2540. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP USD. Keep in mind, the sell opportunity that I mentioned is strictly for day traders only, because taking a sell in an overall uptrend market, especially in a sideways market overall uptrend market and present trend is sideways, okay, taking a sell and forgetting about a sell position is not an ideal thing to do. Okay, in sideways market, number of buyers and sellers are equal, so buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. But still we can identify positions, so yes, let's go for it. But otherwise, you also need to know that not all the opportunities are for swing traders and positional traders. Some are good for swing, some are good for positionals, some are good for day traders. Anyways, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend. Have fun, and that's all. See you on Monday.